Hello, look what I've got. A pendulum. Let me show you a free oscillation. Look, yep, that's it. This is a free oscillation. Now let me show you a forced oscillation. Take a look. Do you see my hand up there? What's it doing? Jiggling continuously. I'm applying a periodic driving force to the pendulum. And I managed to force the pendulum to oscillate at my driving frequency. But as you can see, I couldn't force much of amplitude out of it. So let me try forcing it at a low frequency. So the pendulum now is forced to oscillate at my hand's frequency. But again, I couldn't force much of amplitude, right? So what should I do? Maybe I should force it to oscillate at his natural frequency? Let's see. So, see my hand? My hand is now jiggling at the pendulum's natural frequency. It's working! So in a free oscillation, we impart energy to the oscillation in one go, right? For a forced oscillation, we transfer energy continuously using an external periodic driving force. And so resonance is what happens when the energy transfer is most efficient. And that happens when the driving frequency matches the natural frequency of the oscillation. That's it. Ta-ta!